Have you ever wondered what the world was like when giant reptiles roamed the earth? Let's travel back in time, way back, to the age of dinosaurs. Our story begins about 245 million years ago, in a period called the Triassic. The Earth was a very different place, with one giant supercontinent, called Pangea. The first dinosaurs were actually quite small, some no bigger than a chicken. But these early pioneers were the start of something incredible. They were tough survivors, adapting to a hot and dry world. Then came the Jurassic period, around 200 million years ago. This is the era most of us think of when we hear dinosaur. Pangea started to break apart, creating new oceans and a wetter climate. This led to lush forests of ferns and conifers, providing a massive buffet for plant-eating dinosaurs. And boy, did they get big. This is when giants like the long-necked Brachiosaurus and the plate-backed Stegosaurus appeared. Of course, where there are big plant-eaters, there are big meat-eaters. Fearsome predators, like the Allosaurus, also stalked these ancient landscapes. Finally, we arrive at the Cretaceous period, which started about 145 million years ago. This was the dinosaurs' grand finale. The continents looked a bit more like they do today, and flowers appeared for the first time. Dinosaur diversity was at its peak. We had the mighty Triceratops with its 3 horns, the armored Ankylosaurus, and of course, the king of them all, Tyrannosaurus rex. For over 150 million years, these amazing creatures dominated the planet. Then, about 66 million years ago, it all came to a dramatic end. A massive asteroid struck the Earth, changing the climate and leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs. But their story doesn't completely end there. Scientists now believe that one group of dinosaurs survived and evolved into the birds we see flying around us today. So, next time you see a pigeon, remember you might be looking at a distant relative of a T-Rex. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the age of dinosaurs. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures into the past. See you next time.